Assalamualaikum, brother.
Assalamualaikum.
First of all, thank you for your time to come to this session. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, Bismillah. My name is Muhammad Irfan Aizat bin Jaafar. You can call me Aizat. I'm a second year student and currently studying in Fiqh Usul Fiqh.
So today I want to discuss with you about some question about amanah. Can?
InsyaAllah.
So first, in your own words, what does amanah mean to you?
To me, amanah is being trustworthy and responsible to with what have been given to you, whether it's a task, promise, or what else. And I'm trying to do the best in what I have assigned to.
Wow, that is an amazing point. So second question, in what ways do you practice amanah during classes?
I'm trying to fully represent in class during class, paying attention to the lecturers and not being distracted by phone or other stuff. Okay, that's all.
Wow, that's a good point. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Moving on to the third question, Brother Aizat, can you share how the value of amanah influence your behavior in class, such as your punctuality, the way you interact with your lecturer, how you manage your assignment deadlines, and your effort to avoid plagiarism?
Because of amanah, I try to be punctual. I see it as a part of being respectful to the lecturers. Moving on to next point is I try to be polite and honest with my lecturer, and when it comes to assignments, I don't submit late unless I have a serious situation. And plagiarism, I don't copying because I think we must honest with our works even if it's not perfect.
Okay, good. For the last question, Brother Aizat, in your opinion, how does practicing amanah in class help shape your responsibility as a student?
I think practicing amanah makes me more disciplined and consistent. It trains me to be accountable, not just to my lecturers, my friends, but also myself. So it helped me to build good habits like being reliable, organized, and also to have integrity in whatever I do.
Oh, good. Actually, that's all the question. Thank you for joining us.